What is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media back with another video. Today we'll be taking you along for some hiking here in Malaysia in Kuala Lumpur. So let's check out some of the local trails. So we just got here to the entrance of the hiking trail called Bukit Gasing. So it should be a pretty easy trail. Alright, we're gonna start on the trail. So right now it's all gravel, but just rained yesterday, so it might get a little muddy. And this is a tropical rainforest, so the trees, the leaves are a little bit different than in the US. Careful of snakes.
Uh-oh, muddy.
This is a pretty steep uphill climb, a lot of stairs. Jeez, please. Oh, leaf. Coming down from the little hike, we are here where you could just hang out in the water, dip your feet. Pretty easy trail. The main thing is there's no sign telling you which direction to go, so you just gotta know which direction you are and not make the wrong turn. Then you can cross this suspension bridge all the way there.
I see monkey.
And different types of trees, different types of leaves. This one's pretty big, bigger than my wife's head. So earlier when we passed the bridge, a bunch of monkeys. And pro tip from the locals, when you look at the monkeys, try to keep your phone safe with you because they tend to grab stuff. Also, don't show your teeth, because when you show your teeth, it's a sign of aggression. So when they fight, they think that you showing your teeth means that you're trying to fight and attack them, so don't show your teeth.
Hi, baby. Are you exhausted?
Over here we have bamboo trees, so this is something that grows in a more tropical climate, and it's so tall and long and heavy that it bends.
Too bad.
Wow, that's a big ant.
Almost to the end.
Okay, yeah, from here,
Starting point.
all the way straight. Then climb mountain. Down the mountain. Pass by the river. Then this is the hanging bridge.
Oh yeah.
Then up the hill. Down the hill. Reverse back to the river again. Then same road.
How long? How many km?
Could be like 5.
5 km. Alright, so we're back to the car after about 2 hours of hiking, about 5 kilometers. I would say I'll consider a pretty moderate hike. A lot of up and down hills, so if you're not used to climbing, then you know, might want to practice, but it's not bad overall. Really humid since we're here in the tropical forest, but yeah, would recommend.